So for the Verona Road project, we are continuing our work at Highway PD and Verona Road. A lot of the work on the abutments and the piers through this area. There are the restrictions and modifications to the signal timing at PD and Verona Road, and that will remain for the rest of the year as we complete this major interchange. So we're working on that. Right now we're planning on having all Verona Road traffic over Highway PD and underneath Williamsburg Way by this fall. So by October, November timeframe, Verona Road will travel over Highway PD and under Williamsburg Way. So there's a lot of grading that's going to continue through this area near PD. And as you continue up toward Williamsburg Way, working on the bridge. We'll actually finish that bridge here after 4th of July and have that open. So we'll have cross traffic going over the future lanes of Verona Road. So we'll have turn lanes as well as sidewalk and bicycle access on Williamsburg Way Bridge over Verona Road. We'll have traffic signals at each of the ramps to control those movements. And then as we continue further north, we'll have the connections again then for the 3 lanes each way as you head toward the the Raymond Road intersection. The Raymond Road intersection was just finished last month, so that is completed and open to full capacity. So 3 lanes in each direction, 2 left turn lanes from northbound Verona Road to Raymond Road, and 3 left turn lanes from Raymond Road to northbound Verona Road. So that intersection is fully complete with the new traffic signals. The way the signal timing works at this intersection will actually allow longer green time for Verona Road traffic to get to and from their destination. So working on that, certainly it's a lot of work happening here in 2019. Once we finish Verona Road here in 2019, then we'll focus on Highway PD in 2020. So working from Verona Road down to Commerce Park Drive. So we're expanding Highway PD to 3 lanes in each direction through this area. It'll be a single point interchange at Highway PD and Verona Road, and that's very similar to the Beltline and Verona Road interchange. And so we'll have that configuration where simultaneous left turn movements to Verona Road from PD. And then with that, due to the close proximity of the Nesbitt Road and Capec Road intersection to Verona Road, there will be permanent restrictions at this intersection. So there'll still be left turns in allowed, otherwise right turns in and out only. So if people wish to cross at Nesbitt Road or Capec or make a left turn out from Nesbitt to westbound PD or Capec to eastbound PD, they'll need to use the Verona Road and PD intersection once that happens starting in 2020. Things have been going well. Certainly the weather's been a lot more cooperative to us this year compared to last year. We've had a few rain delays here and there, but certainly for the bulk of what we're doing, again, the bridge work that's going on at PD as well as the bridge work at Williamsburg Way, crews have been doing a great job, especially with this Williamsburg Way intersection. Once we were able to shift traffic out of that way and allow crews a safe and efficient work zone, they were able to work on that, and we just poured the deck for that last week, nearly 600 cubic yards of concrete for that bridge deck. So a lot of great work and hopefully keeping things moving right on schedule. Next 3 months, once we finish up the Williamsburg Way Bridge in July, then we'll work on Verona Road, the actual Verona Road lanes itself. So we worked on the interchange ramps over the past few years. Now we're going to work on the core of Verona Road. So working on that new concrete and expanded lanes, 3 lanes each way, essentially connecting from this yellow section south to PD, and then of course building up the bridges. Right now we plan late July, early August to set the girders for this new interchange, this new bridge. Here there'll be 2 bridges. There'll be 42 girders for this bridge taking Verona Road traffic over Highway PD. So that'll happen again late July, early August. And then again, grade and all the work to make those new lanes and new connections for Verona Road. Verona Road and McKee intersection, once we finish up that work and separating Verona Road traffic from PD in October timeframe, that'll really allow this movement, because you'll have traffic underneath besides the interchange ramps. You'll have Verona Road traffic going over and PD going underneath, so eliminate the at-grade crossing. And so having that crossing improved greatly in October. Sign up for email updates. Certainly visit the Verona Road Project Facebook page. Just search for Verona Road Project on Facebook. A lot of great interactive photos and videos of the construction projects, seeing the work going on at PD and Williamsburg Way, and checking out and certainly asking us any questions.
Do you have any tips for motorists
Really, I think the biggest thing is making sure that they pay attention, be patient in the work zone, obey the 40-mile-an-hour posted speed limit, and don't tailgate in work zone. Certainly this area is already heavily congested, and that's why we're improving this corridor. So certainly take your time, plan ahead, and just leave room to brake in front of you. Otherwise, a lot of great work. We encourage people to keep their heads up, put their phones down, obey the reduced speed limit of 40 miles an hour in the work zone, and of course register for project email updates at www.veronaroadproject.wi.gov.